materials point to paper cups. Scissors, a pen or a pencil. 1. Squeeze the paper cup. And cut the top half off. 2. Fold the glass into 8 sections. 3. Cut the paper cup along each of the 8 folds. You should get the base as the center and the cutout parts as spokes of petals. 4. Draw flower petal pattern on each of the spokes and trim it. 5. Use another paper cup and repeat step 1 to 4. 6. Use a pencil to bend each end of the petal to make it curve, like a real flower. First cup remain quite close and second blossom more. 7. Place the double-sided tape around the base of the first cup that has the closing petals. Put the tape cup into the blossoming cup. Now you will get a 2-tier paper cup flower as a krathong.